Okay, so this is some sort of hearing aid from 1989. At least it says on the back it's from 1989. Let me see. Here we are. Made in China. It's the VS2000 or Whisper 2000. It's like a hearing aid with like a mono plug for like a headphone. Wait, yeah, it's plugged in here. And there's like a amplifier of some sort and like a microphone inside here. Well, what I did, I took out the microphone part and then I plugged my guitar into it, gave it a little bit of an input, and then I put some knobs into it and like circuit bent it. Circuit bent, and so it's sort of like it has knobs. Works as a gain knob, that works as a tone knob with like some capacitors I put in, and there's like, I don't know how to explain that, but I just circuit bent the shit out of it and put some knobs in, and that works like a gain knob, or like a volume sorta, and that works like a tone knob, and this is like a power, so it's sort of like an overdriven amp. It really sounds like an overdriven amp. Not really sounds like an overdriven amp, but you get what I mean. It's like it works like an overdriven amp or whatever, where it gets more power and there's like more noise if you turn up the power, and it sort of gets louder, and you'd like fuck with this to like turn up the gain and whatnot. I'm gonna demo it, so yeah. And I think the knob sort of looked cool. It sort of looks official. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll try to splice the videos together so you can get like a proper demo. My tuning is B standard, by the way. It's like tuned low. And I don't think it's like a fuzz pedal, because I think it's more like a distortion pedal, because it actually distorts and like sustains. So I'm not sure if it's like a... I'm not sure if it's actually like a fuzz, if you get what I mean. Sorry, I'm like slurring. I'm sort of tired and I can't like speak properly. But yeah, this is the Whisper 2000 hearing aid that I turned into a fuzz. And yeah, enjoy the demo.